Good morning, my dear students. I am Gurmeet Singh, your English teacher. I hope you are very healthy and fine back at your homes. And in today's video, we are going to learn about active and passive, and we are going to explore the rules of continuous tense, present continuous and past continuous. And as we know that we cannot convert future continuous tense into a passive. So, first of all, we will write the name of the topic, active and active and passive voice. And first of all, we will talk about present continuous tense. Okay, we will start with affirmative. In the affirmative, we use subject, then is, am and are. Then we use verb first plus ing and object. For example, he is playing cricket. He subject is MR one thing, and then play is the first form, and then plus ing, and we end the sentence with object. Okay, now the passive rule. For the passive, we use object of an active sentence as the first place. Then we use same auxiliary is MR. Then we use being. Then we use verb third plus preposition by, and we end the sentence with converted subject of an active sentence. For example, here we have cricket object, so we use it at the first place. Cricket is a singular, so we use is. Cricket is being, play third form, played, then preposition by, he converted into him. Cricket is being played by him. So this is the affirmative variation. These are the rules. With the help of these rules, we can convert active sentence into passive and passive sentence into active. Now we are going to explore about negative sentence. Negative. Subject is MR. So my dear students, it is very important to know the active rules, means the tense rules, basic tense rules. If we want to transform one active sentence into a passive, is MR, then verb first plus ing, and in the end object. For example, I am not reading a book. Now the passive rule. Again, we use object at the first place, then same is, am, are auxiliary verbs, then the use of negation, then being, then verb third, preposition you by in 90 to 95% cases, and then at the second in the end we use subject of an active sentence. Here we have a book as an object, a book because it is a singular. A book is not being read. Spellings are same, but the pronunciation is different. A book is not being read by, I will be converted into me. So this is the converted sentence from active to passive. So these are the rules. You can pause the video and write these rules on your notebook and also learn from here. Okay, now we are going to explore about the interrogative sentence. One thing, let me fill the marker with ink. Interrogative, or one another pronunciation is interrogative. At the first place we use auxiliary verb, then we use subject, then we use verb first plus ing, then object, and we end the sentence with question mark. For example, are you teaching the class? Sorry, yeah. And passive rule will be is MR according to the subject is MR, then we use object of an active sentence, that will become subject in passive rule, but I use object to make you understand better. Is MR object, and then we use word being, then verb third, preposition by, and then we use subject of an active sentence, and in the end question mark. For example, now the class. Okay, the class is singular. Is the class being teach, taught, T-A-U-G-H-T, taught, then preposition by, and subject you will remain you. Is the class being taught by you? So this is the converted sentence from active to passive. So these are the rules of interrogative sentence. Okay, now last but not the least, we are going to explore when we use interrogation plus negation in a single sentence. We use auxiliary verb at the initial stage, then M, then R, then we use subject, then we use negation, then we use verb first plus ing, then we use object, and we end the sentence with question mark. So here is the passive rule. For the passive, we again use is, M, R, then we use object, then we use negation, then we use being, then we use verb third, then we use preposition by, and then subject of an active sentence, and we end the sentence with question mark. Sorry, I forgot to give you the example. Now here is one example. For example, is he not playing football? Is he not playing football? So this is the present continuous, simple present continuous in active variation. Now how we can convert this sentence into a passive? So first of all, football. Football is singular, so we use is. Is football not being played? Then played, then preposition by, then subject. Subject is he is converted into him, and in the end question mark. Is football not being played by him? So my dear students, these are the variation under present continuous tense. Okay, actually I just wanted to make the video included the two tenses present continuous and past continuous. But now the video is going too long, so I don't want to make my video too long. So we will cover past continuous in the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.